In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add URLs in Notion. If you're brand new to Notion or just looking to polish your workflow, this simple technique will help you keep pages clean, focused, and easy to navigate. We're creating a text hyperlink, which means turning specific words into a clickable link so you don't have long, messy URLs cluttering your notes. Start by typing the words you want to make clickable. Pick something descriptive, like the title of an article or the name of a resource, so anyone reading your page knows exactly where the link will lead. Clear anchor text keeps your workspace scannable and more professional. Next, highlight that text. As soon as you select it, Notion shows a small pop-up toolbar right above or near your selection. Look for the link icon. It typically looks like a small chain. Click that icon to open the link field. If you prefer to keep your hands on the keyboard, you can use the shortcut instead. Press Command plus K on a Mac or Control plus K on Windows. Both options open the same link input, so you can work however feels fastest. Now paste the URL into the field. This can be any web address, maybe a research article, a documentation page, a shared file, or a reference site you need often. After pasting, press Enter to confirm. The text you highlighted instantly becomes a hyperlink. You'll see the formatting change slightly, and it's now clickable. This one small action dramatically reduces visual noise and keeps important references right where they make sense. A few quick tips to get the most out of this. Keep your link text meaningful rather than using generic phrases like "click here." Meaningful text is easier to remember and helps you or your teammates find the right resource faster. Be sure the URL you paste is complete and up to date. If you copied it from a browser, double check that it includes the full address so the link works reliably. This approach works across Notion's text areas, pages, callouts, toggles, and more, so you can keep everything tidy and consistent. That's all there is to it. Type your text, highlight it, open the link field with the icon or the shortcut, paste the URL, and press Enter. It's a small habit that makes a big difference in your daily workflow. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.